What do you get when you combine a therapeutic and relaxing arts and crafts experience with the nostalgic tactile sensation of modelling clay? You get OKTO. OKTO is a Ukrainian company founded in 2016 by Katerina Libman, with the company managed and operated entirely by women who have brought their uniquely passionate, caring and creative approach to not only their product, but an empathetic understanding of their customer base. Their specialty is their unique OKTO clay, which you can find in all of our OKTO products. It is a non-toxic, air-drying modelling compound which completely dries in a matter of hours, no heat required. The feeling of using this clay forms part of their identity with the Sensory Art range. To provide some context, OKTO has emphasized the importance, in particular for mothers and other equally busy adult individuals, to find time for themselves in the everlasting struggle of work-life balance. Their mission is to allow customers to seclude themselves from the outside world for 2 to 4 hours and completely immerse themselves in the experience. But on a broader scope, the increase in young people enjoying hobbies at home rather than going out is increasing, creating a re-emerging market for products such as board games, jigsaw puzzles, and products like OKTO Sensory Art. Studies have proven that arts and crafts are an invaluable activity that relieves stress, strengthens concentration, and even improves mental health. And OKTO Sensory Art provides a new and unique way to relax and enjoy these benefits. Of course, this product can also be enjoyed by people of all ages and can make up for an excellent group activity as well. The OKTO Sensory Art series includes a variety of different designs that can allow customers to create 3D paintings from OKTO clay, such as the Starry Night, inspired by Vincent van Gogh, and the Great Wave, inspired by Hokusai. While these kits come with instructions, as well as video instructions, they encourage customers to follow their own creative instincts. Create the way you feel. No two kits come out exactly the same, so each end product is unique. Marbling, smearing and swirling the clay on the provided canvas is a remarkably satisfying feeling, and is the reason why it is called sensory art. It is so much more than a standard modelling clay, it's a curated experience in a box. Furthermore, in the sensory art series are the botanical kits, where the focus is on moulding flowers and succulents and arranging them in the provided wooden boxes. They make for a fantastic and unique alternative to other artificial flower gifts, which is a slow to innovate product market. And for the little ones, they can also enjoy sensory art with this range, where the provided canvas includes a number design, just like a colouring book or paint by numbers. Each OKTO Sensory Art kit comes in sustainable packaging. The OKTO clay is packed in small portions. This allows the user to gradually open the packets when needed for each step, as this product begins to air dry as soon as it is opened. The clay is separated into the background colour packets, which are wetter and better designed for smearing and smudging, and the element colour packets, which are slightly drier, designed for moulding elements that can peel off the template sheet and hold their form. Also included is a canvas, an instruction sheet and template, a charming do not disturb sign, and a heartfelt letter from the founder telling the story of why sensory art is so meaningful and important to OKTO, as well as a QR code linking to a specially curated music playlist to enjoy alongside the kit. This product is an excellent gift for not only birthdays and Christmas, but Valentine's Day, Mother's Day and anniversaries. It appeals especially to women and young children. With its soft texture and lack of precision, OKTO may also appeal to older customers who may have struggles with dexterity that can limit their enjoyment of activities such as jigsaw puzzles, paint by numbers and diamond dots. OKTO can be enjoyed individually, as a day activity, in an afternoon with the kids, a classroom or with friends. It even has the potential to be enjoyed in a gallery or function room setting as part of a masterclass or large group activity, with wine and cheese of course. The possibilities are endless when it comes to utilising OKTO Sensory Art as a focal product for workshop and events, including organisations that aid those with disabilities, senior citizens and children in care outside of school. We envision OKTO being a mainstay in home and gift shops, as well as art stores, hobby shops and even bookstores. Due to the unique nature of this product and its appeal to all ages, its stock turn is remarkable. OKTO have invested in an increase in production rate, along with a seasonal stream of new releases, which will encourage repeat customers. The company was founded with digital marketing in the forefront of their minds, so their digital assets, including those for your website, SEO, keyword research, as well as content for social media, have world-class production value, which they they are happy to share with all their authorised retailers. With your first purchase of OKTO, you will receive a free sensory art kit that you can test for yourself and create a sample to display in your retail location. If you would like to see our range in finer detail with our curated starter packs, tune in to our next video.